Shenzhen property market. Real estate price after 3 years amid the impact of a 3-year pandemic, a 715 housing policy, and a reference pricing policy lasting for 2.5 years, the Shenzhen property market has entered a period of continuous adjustments. Especially in July, 3 years have passed since the implementation of the strictest property purchase restrictions in Shenzhen. Property prices have entered a downward trend, and housing prices have been significantly reduced. Compared to the market situation 3 years ago, there are several differences now. The question is it the right time to buy or sell property in the current market? Over the past 3 years, it's evident that the prices of second-hand properties in Shenzhen have declined. According to data from the LeYouJia Research Center, the average transaction price for second-hand properties in Shenzhen was 69,000 CNY per square meter in 2020. However, in the first half of 2023, the average transaction price dropped to 65,000 CNY per square meter, representing a decrease of about 4,000 CNY per square meter compared to 3 years ago. This confirms the statement that Shenzhen's second-hand property prices have returned to the levels of 2019-2020. Multiple factors have contributed to the overall downward trend in the market, with the reference pricing policy having the most direct impact on property prices. In February 2021, Shenzhen introduced a reference pricing policy for second-hand properties, which led to nearly 3 years of stagnation in the second-hand property market. However, in the first half of 2023, with the recovery of the second-hand market and some negative events affecting the new housing market, more buyers have started preferring second-hand properties with transparent prices. Additionally, the price difference between new and second-hand properties has gradually diminished, reducing the advantage of new properties. As a result of these multiple influences, the second-hand market has regained its dominance, accounting for 50% of residential transactions in the first half of 2023. With new properties occupying the other 50%. Although the transaction volume of second-hand properties in the first half of 2023 is on par with new properties, the strong influence of the reference pricing policy has led to significantly lower transaction prices compared to 3 years ago. According to statistics from the Shenzhen LeYouJia Research Center, among the sampled properties with transactions in both 2020 and the first half of 2023, around 26% experienced an increase in transaction prices, while nearly 74% saw a decrease, indicating that over 70% of properties experienced a decline in prices.